Welcome to Tech Buddy.
Today we're going to learn selection sort. Let's say we're given the following array and we want it sorted in increasing order. How will we do this? During each iteration, we'll select the smallest item from the unsorted partition of our array and move it to the sorted partition. We'll keep track of the current minimum and current item with red and blue arrows. Let's get started. We always set the current minimum to the first number in the unsorted partition, in this case 2. We progress the length of the array looking for a smaller number. We find 1 at the end of the array and set it as our current minimum. We swap 1 and 2. We now have one item in our sorted partition. Moving on, we set 8 as our current minimum and scan the remainder of the array for a smaller number, updating the current minimum as we progress. At the end we find 2 and swap it with 8. We're ready for the next iteration. This time, 3 moves into our sorted partition. Let's watch the rest of the algorithm play out. Pretty simple. With each iteration, you select the smallest item that hasn't yet been sorted. Here's the pseudocode for selection sort. As you can tell from the code and the nested for loop, selection sort has a time complexity of big O of n squared, where n is the size of the array. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment suggestions for future videos.